Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2017 Hyundai Tucson Active, stock reference number 5048. This shape runs from the 7th month 2015 through to the 6th month 2018. There's a D4HA 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. D4HA 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left-hand daylight running light, left 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front door appears to have no damage, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.